by selling a bicycle for 1885, a man gained 16%. What price did he buy the bicycle? That is P is that means by selling a bicycle for, that is the total price is how much? 1885, right? The man gained 16% of the price. That means he gained cost price plus profit is equal to this one. Profit is how much? The man gained 16%. 16% of the cost price. Cost price is P, therefore 16% of cost price. Therefore, the P is the price, 16% of this. This is the amount, 88 by 5. Now, the price is P and 16% he gained, and the selling price is this. Therefore, you have to calculate the price. What is it? Did the price of the cycle? Now, P, if I take common factor 1 plus 16% is equal to 1885. P 1 plus 16 by 100, 1885. This is if you take 25, this is 16. If 4 times, this is 25 times. Take the LCM. P 25 plus 4 by 25, 1885. This is 29 by 25 times P is equal to 1885. The P is equal to 1885 into 25 by 29. Now this multiplication is a very, very problematic. How will you do this? See, this calculation you can do one thing. Your 1885. Your 4 digits number 29 is there. 29 is, see, I take this 1885 divided by 29. This 29, I make it round off 30. This I'll take this 3 number, nearly 190. We take. How many 30s are there? Here, 0, 0 cancel. 18, 19. That means what? 6 3s are 18, is it not? Therefore, what you can do is 29 into 6. That means 30 into 6 is what? 180. If you subtract that 6, what will get? 174. Therefore, 29 into 6 is what? 174. You understood? Some guess. Therefore, 1885, 29, 6 times 174. If you subtract, how much? 14 minus 8 is equal to 65. Possible? 174. Here 18. Sorry, this is 8. Therefore, what I do is 174. Here 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4, 4. Here 5. 1884. No, sorry. Here 174. 174. Here 29, is it? 188. I think it will be more. Therefore, 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 7 is 14. 145. 145. Again 29. 30. That way how many times it goes? Here 7 times 35. Suppose 29 into 7. How much it comes? Or 6. Here 5 is 29. 5, therefore 5 times I'll try. 5 nines are 45. Therefore 145 it comes. 29 145. Therefore 65 times it goes. Therefore 29 into 65 is 25 by 29. 29 get cancelled. Therefore this calculation is a big problem for multiplication. You'll get you multiply this 25 into 6 5 is 25. It's 25. You'll get 1625. See, this is a different. Find the sum of two consecutive natural number whose sum is 53. Find the two consecutive natural number whose sum is 53. What is consecutive natural number? Suppose x is the natural number. Next number is x plus 1. Right? Find the two consecutive natural number whose sum is 53. This is one number. The next number is x plus 1. The sum is equal to 53. Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to 53. 3x is equal to, if it goes 53 minus 1, 3x is equal to 52. Therefore, here x is equal to 52 divided by 3. 53 divided by 3, how much will it? Some problem here. See, x plus x is what? 2x. 2x divided by 52. Therefore, what? You will get 26. Therefore, x is equal to 26. 4 times certain number. Suppose certain number is x. 4 times certain number. 4 times certain number is as much less than 60. 4 times certain number is as much less than 60 as 7 times. 4 times certain number is as much less than 60. Less than 60. Right? Is equal to 7 times of that number greater by 61. Greater by 61. See, this is a very, very important statement. 4 times certain number less than 60 means what? Less than 60 is equal to 7 times is greater than 61. Find that number. See, this is a very big important the step. If you go wrong here, all the step will be blank. Therefore, you send this side, you bring this side. 60 plus 61 is equal to 70x plus 4x. 7x plus. This is 11x. This is 61. Or x is equal to 61 by here. 61 121. X is equal to 121 by 11. How many times? 11. Therefore, the number is equal to 11. Can you follow? This particular sum is very, very important. The length of the room exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. This is length of the room. exceeds by breadth. See, this the length is x. Breadth exceed its breadth by 1 meter. Therefore, length and breadth, if you write it, the breadth if you take x, length exceed by 1. See, length of a room exceeds its breadth by 4 meter. If the breadth is x, length is exceed by 1. Okay. A length, see, the length of a room exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. Sorry. If breadth is x, the length is 4 meter. The length of the room exceeds its breadth by 4 meter. Okay. 4 meter. If the breadth be increased by 1 meter, if the breadth increased by 1 meter, the length decreased by 2 meter. The length, then the if new breadth is x, the new length will be, it decreases by 2. The new length, this is new breadth. Can you follow? Here, if the length decreases, if the length decreases by 2 meter, sorry, if the breadth increases by 1 meter, then the length decreases by 2 meter, then the area of the room, this is the original area, then the area of the decreases by 14 meter square. 14 meter square. This is original area, this is new area. Find the length and breadth. It is, again, I'll write down this. Look. Length and breadth. This is length and breadth. The length of a room exceeds by breadth by 4 meter. If the breadth is x, the length is x plus 4. A is the area. If the breadth be increased by 1 meter, that is, if the breadth increased by 1 meter in the sense, the new breadth is equal to x plus 1. Then length decreased by 2 meter. The length decreased by 2 meter. L was original, the length is decreased by 2 meter. Okay. This is the new length. And that time what will happen? Area also decreased by 14 meter square. Now find the length and breadth. Right? Find the length and breadth of the room. That is original. Find the original, they would ask. Original length. They are supposed to ask. You have to find out this one. Here what is given? X plus 4. Length and breadth is equal to area. A new length, new breadth is equal to this area. Which one? The new area. Now new length is what? X minus 2. New breadth is x plus 1 equal to a minus 14. Here length is what? Length is x plus 4. Breadth is x is equal to a. Now this a you substitute here. Okay. Or you can write, see, x minus 2 x plus 1 equal to, instead of this a I put it here. X plus 4 minus 14. Therefore, you multiply this. X square plus x minus 2x minus 2, that is x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 4x minus 14. This one would cancel. You bring this side, all that. Here what will happen? X minus x minus 2 minus 4x plus 14 equal to 0. Here minus 5x plus 12 equal to 0, minus 5x equal to minus 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 5. X is equal to 12 by 5. Something is wrong, I feel. By 5. Do not see. Let here the original area is equal to length into breadth. This one. X plus 4 is equal to new area. That is the area. Then what? The new breadth is equal to new breadth. New length is x minus x plus new length x minus 2. New breadth is x plus 1 equal to that area minus 14. Correct. Now this substitute this area. We substitute here x minus 2 x plus 1 x plus 4 minus 14. If I multiply x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 4x minus 14. X square get cancel. Minus x plus minus x minus 2 is equal to 4x minus 4. Four x plus 5x is equal to 14 minus 2. What is the problem here? This is x plus 4. Therefore, 14 minus 2 is 12 is equal to 5x. Again, x is equal to 12 by 5 only we are getting. We are right. X is equal to 12 by 2 by 5 into 2, that is 24 by 10. X is equal to 2.4 meter. Breadth is equal to 2.4 meter. Length is x plus 4, that is 2.4 plus 4, that is 6.4 meter. Therefore, area is equal to length into breadth, that is 6.4 into 2.4, so much meter square. Right? Calculation you can do it. Now here x is equal to 2.4, breadth is 2.4, length is equal to x plus 4, isn't it? Therefore 2.4 plus 4, 6.4, that area you will get it. Right? This type of problems are a little bit confusing, but you have to be very careful in doing it. See, there is another problem. if x multiplied by 6, if x multiplied by 6 and 9 is subtracted, the result is same. The result is same as when x is multiplied by 4 and 11 is added. How simple the sum. Therefore, you bring this side, you send that side. 6x minus 4x is equal to 11 plus 9. 2x is equal to 18. Therefore, x is equal to 9. It's a very simple sum. Okay. I'll read out the problem. The length of a rectangle is 3 centimeter more than its breadth. Okay, this is the breadth. The breadth is x. The length is 3 centimeter more than its breadth. That means x plus 3. The perimeter of the rectangle is 18. What do you call perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the side. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. This is called perimeter. Perimeter sum of the side. The perimeter of the rectangle is 18. Find the length and breadth. What is length? What is breadth? What is the perimeter? Perimeter is 2 times length, 2 times breadth is equal to 18. Divide 2 out by 2. Length plus breadth is equal to 19. Length is x plus 3. Breadth is x, that is equal to 9. X plus x. 2x is equal to, this goes 9 minus 3. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. Therefore, length is equal to x plus 3. That is, what do you get? X plus 3, that is 3 plus 3. That's 6 meter. Breadth is x. X is 3 meter. They may ask you to find the area. What is the area? Length into breadth. That is 6 into 3. 18 meters square. Right? 18 meters square. There is a triangle. If you take a triangle A, B, C, you know the angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. You know this. Now they are given like this. There is a triangle in which the ratio of the angle A is to B is to C is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Find the greatest angle. Find the greatest angle. Which is the greatest angle? C is the greatest angle. Let A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x, C is equal to 4x. You know sum of the angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. That is 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. How much is this? 7. 9x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 20 degree. Therefore, what is the angle? A. A is equal to 2x. That means 2 into 20. That is 40 degree. B is equal to 3x. That is 2 into 20. That is 60 degree. C is equal to 4x. That is 4 into 20. 80 degree. The greatest angle is what? 80 degree. They have given. This is a isosceles triangle. Right? Isosceles triangle lengths are same. This is the base. They are given base is x. Right? If the perimeter of a triangle is, if the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is equal to 20, I will give one sum. Is 20 centimeter. If the perimeter of a, perimeter means what? L plus x is 20 centimeter. Each length equal to 2 times the base. That means length is equal to 2 times the base. Base is x. Okay. Find the triangle. Find the length, all the length. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is L plus x is equal to 20. That is 2L plus x is equal to 20. But L is equal to 2x. Therefore 2x into 2 plus x is equal to 20. 4x plus x is equal to 20, or 5x equal to 20, or x equal to 20 by 5. 4 times, therefore x is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore length, that means length is the 2x. The 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. Length is what? 8 centimeter. The base is what? 4 centimeter. Therefore, they ask you this type of sums. All are very, very simple sums. You have done the enough sum. Therefore, just go to the thing. See, find the two consecutive numbers such that, see, they may ask you, see, in a short place I'll do. Find the three consecutive number whose sum is 687, say example. Three consecutive number x, another number x plus 1, another number x plus 2. The three consecutive number. What are the three consecutive number? You can write three consecutive number. Suppose x plus 1, x plus 2. The sum of the three consecutive number is equal to 687. Find x. That means x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 687. X plus x, 3x, plus 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to 687. This is divided throughout by 3. X plus 1 is equal to x plus, this is 2, another 2, 9 3s are 27. Therefore x is equal to 229 minus 1, or x is equal to 228.